Hey guys, and welcome to this video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to remove Google account from your Android phone. So let's get straight into it. First, open your settings app. You can either locate it directly on your home screen or you can search for it using the search bar here. And then from here, scroll down and find the option labeled Users and Accounts. So the wording may vary slightly depending on your device, okay? So just tap on it, and then from here, you will now see a list of all the accounts linked to your device, including Google, Facebook, and others. So from the list, choose the Google account you wish to remove by tapping on it, and this will then bring you to a new screen with your account details. On this screen, locate and press the Removed Account button, and a prompt will appear warning you that this action will delete the account's messages, contacts, and other data from the device. So to proceed, simply tap Remove Account again, and you will be taken back to the account screen, and the account you removed will no longer be listed. And that's pretty much it. That's how you can remove Google account from your Android phone. I really hope you found this video useful. If you could give us a like and subscribe, we'd really appreciate it. Catch you guys in the next one.